Morning, guys. Welcome our Thank you for checking into the Andersons. Welcome back to our channel. I am going to take you guys to work with me this morning. I'm running a bit late. I just came out the shower, put on my clothes. Hurry up. About to sort it out. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. Come with us. I'm almost done. Almost reached.
That's a picture. Yeah, that's that.
Whatever.
Okay. No, seriously, start over.
Later.
Have a good day, babes.
Thanks. Later. Alright. Guys, I'm off to work today. I'm taking a cab because Damar is still sleeping or still in bed, and I don't trust myself to drive right now, so I'm taking a cab. As I said, guys, I don't trust myself to drive, so I keep on calling cabs. I know I'm supposed to get my license this year, like September. I'm qualified to get my license. I'm going to do it, but I still don't trust myself on the road as it. Today, as I said, I'm taking you guys to work with me today, so you see what I do. Hopefully I can video what I do throughout the day, and yeah, just come along with us. Birthday party today. So yes guys, that is how my Saturday mornings normally is. Just come in, open up, answer telephone if it rings. Normally it rings a lot, but because we're not registering anyone for our program right now, the place dead. Yes, that have nothing to do, literally nothing to do, but I like it. It is laid back, like real laid back. Some persons here are chill, as I said. It's really cool in sense of you get to see little kids doing gymnastics. I'm not a sports person, but I like to see it. Gymnastics. That's it. I don't really have nothing to do. Really don't have nothing to do. So what I do to pass the time, I research. I do research about autism because everybody knows that Malika have autism. So I do my research. So if you see on this browser and this computer right here in front of me, if they search it, they'll see me searching lots about things to do with Malika. Right? I literally don't have nothing to do. So let give you a little rundown about this place. So it's a gymnastics center where they have programs for kids with disabilities, normal kids, everybody, adults, gymnastics. So they have programs running for 9 weeks, and you pay a fee, and it really is cool. So normally what I do is register patient. What about patients? Register persons. It's windy outside. Register persons. Answer telephone calls. Take payments. Talk to a customer if you're walking about knowing the programs. That's it basically. That's the rundown. That's like and sit and look. Yeah, but I don't sit and look at research, but yeah, that's what I basically do. So today they have birthday parties here as well, so I'll be here greeting the parents with their kids. They're gonna ask questions about where to go, what to do, so I'll be here answering them. But that's it. That's a rundown, like a really rundown of what I do. Some persons might say, oh, it's an easy job, I would love that job. For me, if I'm not being productive, I feel lazy. If I'm not contributing in a way where I think wasting time, I feel lazy. If I'm wasting time not contributing to an organization, although I'm doing my business, for me, I don't like to be unproductive. I like to be productive. I'm productive in my own thing, but to sit and just get someone to pay you and that's it. For me, I don't know. So it's my lunchtime and the man just dropped off a Subway sandwich for me. No, but I just ate it. I couldn't put up camera while I was eating, and a lot of persons coming in and out. So we'll have a cookie, please, and you bought Mountain Dew, but I don't really drink soda, so I was drinking water. So with this job, I have lunchtime. Basically, anytime that I want, I can eat anytime that I want. That's the people I take break. Basically, I'm on break 24/7. But anyways, yeah. I don't have no restriction with this work.
Just wondering, how long do the sessions go until?
How long? This one or normal session?
Just the parkour ones. Like not the day, but like sorry, not the time, but like the day.
Months? Like
Yeah, like how many weeks
9
or whatever.
weeks. Each program, all the programs go for 9 weeks in recreational.
Oh, okay.
So this one will end on the 25th of June.
Of June.
Yes.
25th. Okay, good to know. I was just like, we signed up, but then I'm like, I don't know how many Saturdays, yeah, or how many that we do or whatever.
The last Saturday, the last class for this session. What this session?
For this one, it will be the 25th. Okay, well, perfect. That's like with school then too. Then.
Yeah, basically. Are you planning on doing fall sessions?
I'm not too sure.
I'm not sure what it's up to.
Yeah, kind of see what they also play hot. Like we were just in so many sports, so. But it's fun to like give them different options, right? They did the kinder gym. Both of my boys did the kinder gym program, which was really great. And then yeah, now we're trying this one. And then when they were little, I did like the parent and taught gymnastics.
Oh, yeah.
So
you've been here a long time.
I have been different experiences. Then COVID hit, so you know that's why this is our first one, kind of being back at the gymnastic place.
So sessions for the pre-registration for the next session is June the 20th.
Okay. For
Just
summertime or for like the fall? For the fall.
Yeah,
okay.
Just in case.
But there is summer camps too, because
Yes.
they did a summer camp last summer and they really liked it.
Yes, there's some
Summer
camps.
camp.
Yeah, for the
So when do the summer camps registration?
Registration started from the 25th of April.
Oh, it's
still going
open.
on. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I should look into
Just the
that.
paper is over right here. Sorry. Right here.
Oh, okay.
Here we go. Oh, wrong thing.
Oh, summer camp.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Great. I'll take this up and look at it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
At the end of each shift, I try to dust down my desk. Also try to sanitize it as much as possible.
So now it's like after 3. Birthday party just finished. I went upstairs and checked on the room. I didn't video. Cause there's a lot of cameras and they're watching me right now, you know. So I didn't want to be up there with the cameras. Plus, I have kids inside practicing, and I did not want to video with my phone to capture anything. So yeah, finished now. It's like after 3, and yeah. I was eating cookie. I will be here researching until about 5 o'clock, and I will lock up. Same thing that I did, close up and go home. So I don't have nothing to do with this, literally. I'm here most of the time. I'm researching, doing some research, Canadian lifestyle, or can it sorry, I have a cold that won't go away. Canada's immigration, some little, you know, try to find some little information or stuff that is beneficial to myself or to other persons. Researching about autism, how I can help Malika. That is one of the biggest things. That's one of the major things that I research when I'm at work. Activities for me to do with her, even my little baby, stuff to do. So that's how my work day goes. So let me do a swing around. This is how my office is, and this is how it is. Whoop. And I if you guys have reached this far in the video, I maybe you guys think it is a little interesting. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing to our channel. Thank you guys for supporting us. I'm here till 5 people. I have nothing to do. I'm gonna research. See ya.